Hello, I am Andrew Edwards, your virtual faculty at UniAthena. First, we will see what is data visualization. The goal of data visualization is to communicate data or information clearly and effectively to readers. So let's get started with this session on visualization using Matplotlib. Let's start with learning about Matplotlib. It is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Matplotlib makes things easy and hard things possible. Python is becoming very popular in the field of data sciences. Matplotlib is a Python package to analyze and visualize data. It is mainly designed to work with the broader SciPy stack. SciPy extends the functionality of NumPy with a considerable collection of valuable algorithms. It is a cross-platform library for making plots from data in arrays. Matplotlib has a special module called Pyplot. Now let's learn about it. Pyplot module supports very wide variety of graphs and plots. Most of the Matplotlib utilities lie under the Pyplot submodule and are usually imported under the PLT alias. Pylab is a procedural interface of Matplotlib. Pylab combines the Pyplot functionality with the NumPy functionality in a single namespace. Pylab makes Matplotlib look more like MATLAB. Next, let's see few general functions of Pyplot. These ready-to-use functions help us in better visualization. Let's explore it one by one. First we have title function. It can be used to set a title to the current axis. The title method in the Matplotlib module is used to specify the title of the visualization and displays the title using various attributes. Next, the xLabel function can be used to set the name for the x-axis. While setting the name, we can also set size or font size of xLabel. Similarly, we have ylabel function to set the name to y-axis. While setting the name, we can also set size or font size of ylabel. Next, we have the xScale function. It is used to set the x-axis scale. Similarly, the yscale function is used to set the y-axis scale. Next we have the show function. It is used to display the plot after creation. The close function is used to close the graph window. It closes current figure window. With this, we have reached the end of this lesson. Hope this was very informative. Keep learning. Thank you.